Losing weight is not that difficult. Actually, it is difficult, especially when you have to maintain the energy levels, yet you have to shed some kgs. These are two different versions. However, today I will share a secret with you. Just one tiny step is enough. You will surely be surprised with the results. You need not do any heavy exercises or go on a crash diet. As I always say, weight loss is all about calorie deficit. Burning more calories than we actually consume will give the result. The logic is simple. Now, let's see how it works. All you need to do is just follow this recipe, and once we see the recipe, let's discuss how to use it, when to use it, how many days we need to follow, and things like that. Let's get started. All we need is half cabbage for this, and half capsicum. You can take any color capsicum, half onion, and let's take one full carrot finely chopped, and then one tomato. Along with this, let's also take half cup of fresh green leafy vegetable. I am taking frozen one as I have, but fresh is any day better. And also take a small piece of ginger. Then first let's saute all the vegetables. For that I am not using oil. We can do that with water also. So I just added little water. To that let's add finely chopped ginger and onion. As I already mentioned, this is a super good food with a very low calorie. I am adding rosemary salt. You can use any salt like rock salt, pink Himalayan salt, but please try and avoid table salt. Oil is not necessary for this particular recipe. That is the reason I am using a bit of water to saute the vegetables. Added cabbage to it, carrot. One by one let's add all the vegetables. Spinach, tomato, capsicum, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. I am also adding half teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, pinch of turmeric. All the ingredients that we used in this recipe are very low calorie, nutrient dense, and a lot of fiber. So that makes us full for a very long period of time, so you don't feel hungry very fast. We can have this recipe for breakfast, lunch, or best I feel in my opinion is you can skip your dinner and you can have this. Now let's close the lid and cook for a minute. Any age group can have this recipe. It is good for kids, it is good for elders, it is good for aged people. Anybody who wanted to lose weight can have this recipe regularly for at least 10 days. Adding 500 ml of water. And let's cook on low medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. We can lose up to 5 kgs within a week time. I suggest you should have this at least for 10 days, and if you like it you can continue this actually forever because it's really good. You can see vegetables are perfectly cooked, and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice before serving. Results also depend on the kind of food that we take for rest of the day, and the amount of exercise that we do, and the amount of fat that is there in our body. So I suggest you should do at least 30 to 40 minutes of walking, which is anyway good for health. So please do that and enjoy this recipe. I'm sure you will be surprised with the results. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.